Hey, today I received my DIor 30 Montaigne bag. I get really excited. Let's unbox it. It's pretty well wrapped, and I love this white color, white box. I'm really excited. This is my dream bag. Okay. It's a little bit. And inside here's the box. Just wrap it. And here is the dust bag. You see the old oblique bag. Wow, it's pretty cool. The handle here, and you see the old oblique canvas. Yeah, it's canvas, and the gold metal logo hardware. And open that. I will compare the size. The size is not that big, but let me grab out these layers. So we see there's three layers. Here is a small one, here's the middle, and here is a zipper. Here is a zipper. That's it. Let me grab out the handle. So in the back, there's a little space here. You can put some foam here, and you guys see here, here is also the 30 Montaigne. So beautiful. Now let's have a final look of this whole bag. This is the front side. Here's some metal hardware. Pretty cool. Here's a little handle. You have two ways to wear it. Here's the long strap, and also you can use like double strap, but I prefer to use like a shoulder bag, so I'll keep it like this. If you press here, you can easily open this bag. It's easy. And the interior is all the old black. So on the back of this bag, you can see here is also 30 Montaigne. Okay, here's just the color. Let me see what happens here. It's just because of the light and the so it's totally like this. So it's not a scratch. Okay. Nice, pretty nice, right? Okay. And now let's see how many things this bag can put, because I'll use it as a daily bag. So let's see. First, Here is a card holder. Okay. And here's my car key. And here's my phone. Oops. If I can organize it. And here's my key. Done. Let's see what else I can put. Okay, here's my eye drop. I really recommend you can put this one into your collection because it's really, really gorgeous and it's very classic.